This is my most comprehensive set of videos looking at using Bubble to build a no-code ChatGPT clone using the OpenAI API. To celebrate the launch of our first Udemy course, this is the cheapest it's going to be, so follow a link in the description to enroll today. My goal with this course was to include all of the basics, everything that you need to basically go out and build any app that you can imagine in Bubble, but at the end of the 2-hour course, you will have created your very own ChatGPT clone. We cover UI design, workflows, the OpenAI API, how to group messages by conversation, UI and UX improvements such as making sure that your page is the right height and responsive in nature, user registration, login, privacy rules, and further UI and UX improvements. It's all in here. You need no coding or Bubble experience. I start right at the beginning. I explain all of the key concepts as we go along. So what are you waiting for? Head to the link in the description and sign up today.